Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello everyone, I'm set here with a cup of tea because my love from Lizi has just arrived. There we go, a little bit more light on the subject. So my love from Lizi has arrived. I'm so excited, and I thought I would do a quick video showing you what comes inside the January box. And this is it. Exciting! So I'm going to move my cup of tea out of the way, have a quick sip. So inside the box you get generally two Ziploc bags. You get a small one and you get a large one. And Lizi puts all her products into the Ziploc bag. So if the cardboard box gets damaged in transit or wet, you've some hope of your stuff inside being, 100% when you get it. So I'm going to move this lot over and I'm going to open the first bag, and you can see all the goodies in here, guys. Oh, look. Oh, guys, can you see the sparkle in that? Look, I love a drop of the Nouveau drops. I love them, but I don't use them very often. I just forget about them, and I have a load of them there. This adds dimensions and details. Glitter drops, enchanting pink. That's what I was looking for, what they're called. Enchanting pink. Lovely. I'm chuffed with them. Lovely. So I'll leave them just there. They kind of fade out on my background mat. Anyway, what else have we got? We have a ring. And only because it's what holds all the washi tape together. But I'm going to pour everything out, and that way it'll make it so much easier. So we get all these washi tapes which come on this ring like this, keeping them all together. And they're lovely. The theme of this kit is cookies, or biscuits as we call them here in Ireland and the UK. Cookies and biscuits, whatever you like to call them. So we've got some lovely washi tape. I like this thin one. It's going to be great for using it to give the impression of a mat, and not, so we'll be faking it. So that's all our washi tapes. I'll leave those there like that as well. We have a couple of tags, handmade with love, and a lovely little cupcake. We've got some pegs. I have some pegs in my craft room, and they're little ones like this, and I have never thought this has given me the idea you can actually die cut out little, stamp a stamp, cut it out, fussy cut or die cut, and then stick it on some pegs. I think that's fabulous, and it's a great idea. Love them. Brilliant. We've also got some lovely bows, a selection in a lovely mellow yellow and a sky blue and a lovely soft baby pink and a lavender colour. They're lovely. Lovely. We've also got two smaller tags, sprinkled with love and you're a real gem. A gem is a type of biscuit over here in Ireland as well as the UK. We've got a little selection of some sequins. I love Lizi's sequins. Great for shaker cards or just embellishing a card. We've got a couple of dies that came in the kit. Let's have a look and see what they are. And they're nice size dies as well. So one is a cookie, a sprinkled cookie. We call them party rings over here in Ireland, and I think the same in the UK. I don't know if you're in America watching, but it's a party ring cookie die cut. Then we have a lovely little cupcake die cut with a candle and some words on it. I don't know what that says. I'm not even going to try, but it's got some make a wish. Make a wish. A penny just dropped. Make a wish cupcake. Lovely. And we've also got a lovely best wishes. And I only know it says best wishes because I can see it from this side, but a best wishes die. So 3 fab dies there as well. And then we get some lovely stickers. Now the stickers you can embellish a card with, or an envelope with, or anything you like, but they're fab. Love that. So that's the small bag that came in the kit. And I'm going to very quickly chuck everything back in. And now we have the big bag. Oh, I know we got an absolute ton of papers in our kit this month. So I'm going to take everything out. And I love these big Ziploc bags. They're really handy for in the craft room. I store my kits when I'm finished with using them, because most of the time I don't use a whole kit because there's so much in it. So I have the envelopes, you know, the big envelopes that you can get with the little buttons on the back. Let me show you. And as you can see, I've loads of stuff, but I get these plastic envelopes. You know, they're a heavy duty plastic and they have the little button on them there. I get these in my local Mr. Price or Deals or any of those. Target, I'm sure you have, or every crafts at Pound or wherever, but even you know, like your local Eason's or WH Smith's. Or but what I do is I put all my leftover Love from Lizi stuff in this, not including my stamps or my dies. Those I keep with my stamps and my dies, but everything else would go in here, so that way if I want to make another card, I have all the stuff there for it. So that's how I store my kits when I'm finished recording and making videos and cards. So I'm going to just slide that over there and we'll have a look at the papers. Now, as far as I know, they're mostly double-sided. Yeah, they are, look. That was a very quick flick, guys. And I'm not going to go through it all because there are a load of unboxing videos available to look at. But you can see they're all cookie or biscuit or whatever you like to call them orientated. And there's loads and loads of papers in this. Absolutely fantastic. I'm chuffed with that. And I have there's a baker. Well, there's a number of bakers in my family, but there's a professional baker in my family. Shout out to Dervla from Pudding Row in Sligo, if you're watching. Great baker. Fab Cafe. Anyway, we get a embossing folder. Isn't this fab? It's like as if the cakes are all tumbling down. I love it. I love this idea. Absolutely fantastic. Now what you could do is you could emboss some white paper and then colour in all the different cupcakes and everything, and then you could fussy cut them out. I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 that you could use, that you could fussy cut out, I mean. But beautiful embossing folder. It's nice quality as well. Very good. We get a lovely stamp set. We have a gingerbread man, so this can be used at Christmas time, and I love having stamps and dies that you can use at other times of the year. But we've also got some all different varieties of biscuits and digestives and the whole lot there, as well as some sentiments. So we have, hey sweetie, just hoping to bake your day a little better. Then we have, without you I'd crumble. That'd be good for a Valentine's card. Do you know, give it to your partner. Your one smart cookie, a cookie card for my kooky friend, and you're sweet like chocolate. So that's a lovely stamp set that Lizi has thrown in. We've also got some ephemera. Now, I know when you get pieces like this loose, they're called ephemera, but what are they called if they're on the sheet? Are they just die cuts? Are they die cuts when they're on the sheet, and then when you pop them all out, do they then become ephemera? Just wondering. So we get some tags and some lovely little sentiments and everything there. This is really cool. Love that. I'll pop that underneath there. Next we have some more peel-offs, and these are lovely. Can you see there? They're all glittery. Fabulous. And if you look as well, they're all the same width. Nice fat width. So they'll be lovely for fooling people into thinking that we've put mats and layers, or just to embellish the card. Gorgeous. Then we get some paper or card, whatever you like to call it. We get a green. We get a lovely baby blue. We have some white, and this white one can be used for colouring in with your alcohol markers. I tend to put this aside in another folder or envelope and keep all those pages together and just use what I need when I need them. We've also got some tissue paper, but I'm going to look at that last. Lizzie put them in between the card so that they would, you know, stay in good condition. We've got this lovely yellow. Now, my camera isn't doing justice to the colour, or it could be all my lighting and everything. This is a really, really sunshine yellow. It's a little washed out looking there on my monitor anyway. Maybe it looks better. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it better there now. We've got a gorgeous pink to make the boys wink. And we've got a brushed silver. You can see all my lighting that I have overhead because it's a very dull day here in Ireland, and you can see me sitting here. Hi! So we have silver, and it's like a brush gold. And then we have, and I'm going to move them out of the way so you're not blinded by the light. We have some lovely, it's like tissue paper, or I don't know, there's another name for this paper. I can't think of it now. It's left my brain. But you can see there we've got like biscuit sprinkles on this one, and lovely assortment of biscuits and cakes and everything that's making me hungry that would go nicely with my cup of tea. Oh, flogs, look. Do you remember flogs, guys? These ones here. Over here we get these in a kind of an luminous green and yellow, and they just, oh, delicious. Anyway, beautiful. What will we make with that? That is the question. We'll have to come up with some cooly-booly ideas. Anyway, so that's the crepe paper or tissue paper or origami paper, or whatever you like to call it. So this is basically all our stuff that we got in the box. I am now going to fire ahead and make some cards. There we go. That's the Love from Lizi 2020 January card kit. I'm so looking forward to creating some cards with this kit. I know I'm going to be hungry all the time looking at all the cookies though. So keep an eye out for my video with my cards, and until next time, see you soon.